how to find and join Roblox voice chat only servers. So if you want to find and join Roblox voice chat only servers, then what you need to do is first open up your browser. After opening, you need to go and search for rolliments.com. And once you search for it, it will take you to the website. Now you need to go with the game section, click on games. And here you just need to simply go and search for some games. So I'll just simply go with please donate. And once you've searched, as you can see that here you will have these servers. So you just need to simply click on any server that you're comfortable with. And then you just scroll down and here you will have more section. And under more here you will have your game pass, badges, places, servers and everything. So and here we need to go with places. And under places, as you can see that here it says voice chat, legacy map. So if you want only the voice chat, if you want to find and join Roblox voice chat only servers, then this is a voice chat server. So you need to click on it and then you'll be able to join the server. And in this way, you'll be able to find and join Roblox voice chat servers. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.